In today's video tutorial, I'm really excited to share an application that we've never talked about before, and of course, I'd like to share it with you, because the method that I'm showing you today can actually make over $500 to a shocking $800 income. This app is available for both iOS and Android and it's totally free to download. I'm going to show you 3 different apps, the first 2 of which will pay you to install them so you can maximize your results and make as much money as possible overall, including the last one I'll be showing you. The first 2 apps will help you earn some passive money for free because, as I previously stated, you only need to install them, so I'll show you those 2 apps first, and then it'll show you the third app that we have never discussed before, and it will pay you $1,000 for free. Let's jump right into the video so that it can explain everything. Before I show you the app that will actually pay you, I just want to show you some other apps as I said at the beginning of the video. So in total is going to show you 3 different apps in this video. So to be clear, I'll be discussing everything in parts. In the first part of this video, I'll show you different applications that will pay you to do absolutely nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone do their thing. Then you can concentrate on the last application that I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $500. But first, I have to mention these 2 free apps that will make you passive income. The first app that we'll be using is this one right here, which is their official website, but we'll obviously just install it directly onto our device. Basically, this is free software that will allow you to make money online automatically by getting SMS created by the system and consumers. All you have to do is download it to your smartphone, create an account, and it will send you some random SMS messages that you don't have to respond. They'll send you new text messages, and as he mentioned, you'll be paid for each one you receive. So basically you can come work here and read more about how it works. But this one only works for Android. Keep watching because the next apps will work for both iOS and Android. Again, this only works for Android. So if you have an iOS device, this won't work. So their application is exclusive only to Android because only Android allows you to read SMS. All you have to do now is install your app and wait to be paid. And this is how much they tell you about how secure the application is. Their app doesn't read any of your data, so they won't sneak around your private messages or use any of your data to steal information or wait for they'll only read their own text or SMS. It's safe. I've done a lot of research on this application, and people are talking about how much money they're making with it. Of course, they love how the system works because, as you can see, it's all automated so you can earn money with the app without having to do anything. And they also have a pretty wonderful recurring program where you can earn 30% of your referrals profits. So if you connect a buddy to this app or website and they join up and start making money, they'll want to refer another friend and they learn $200 and you'll get $60 for free passively. Now you'll be earning passive income from them. So yes, there are a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Moneysms app, and of course, this is completely free. You won't have to pay anything because it will always be free. And you can learn more about how it works by signing up and receiving automated text messages. These are some examples of how it will look inside the dashboard. And this is the referral code that you can share with your friends and family, as well as on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can even share it with various Facebook groups regarding making money online. Simply tell them that they can make passive income from that app, and then post your referral link, and you can still make passive income from your referrals. As you can see, the Money SMS app is legit and they take all national matters seriously to ensure that they comply with the latest or privacy policy requirements. Now, if you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website, and those business ratings you can read more about them on this website. And you can see that people are actually receiving money from this website. And as I said, I've done a lot of research, and this website does totally work. And the website we'll be using is Money SMS app. For this website Moneysms app, before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The next program you may use to generate some free passive money is called Cash Magnet or CashMagnetApp.com, which you'll install on your Android smartphone. This one only works for Android, But stay tuned because the last application will pay you and will be accessible for both iOS and Android. So, basically, you get money from your Android phone and they pay you for every minute of that time when you do nothing. As you can see, you literally don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the best reward programs you want to play, so this one will pay you way more than them any SMS app. We're basically going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app so you can learn more about it, and you don't have to do anything, so you can watch ads or play games and earn money in an entirely passive and autonomous manner. You may be sleeping, eating, working out, going outside, reading the news, or doing anything else that you do on a daily basis and still be paid simply for installing this app and leaving your smartphone out. You don't have to do anything else. So get ready to earn several times more. And in only 3 months of work in the Cash Magnet, you will be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is how thousands of their satisfied users do it. You can practically purchase a whole new phone 3 months after using it. It's completely secure and assured that your data and personal settings will not be accessed in any way. Make money by doing nothing with your phone. You may learn more about what Cash Magnet is and how it can help you earn money when you're not using your phone. You can simply leave your phone out and have the app put on it, and you'll be earning money passively. Now, if you don't want to put this on your primary phone for any reason, you can install it on an old spare phone. Now, before I give you the last app, the major app that will really pay you over $700, I'll show you how to install it on an old spare phone. The app that we'll be using is this one right here, and it's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. It's incredibly simple, and it's pretty exciting because you'll get paid simply for listening to music. All you have to do is download the app, listen to music, and collect points. And the more you play, the more money you'll make. So basically, you're getting paid to listen to music in your spare time. So search and play from hundreds of thousands of songs plus your station to find your favorite music and listen to it. And it's that simple. After that, you'll just get paid. You don't have to listen to some random song or genre from SoundCloud that you don't like. You can actually listen to music you enjoy and still get paid. Obviously, you guys already listen to a lot of music on a daily basis, but now you can get paid for doing so. Earn points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brand, and much more. As you can see, this is available in many countries on this list, and then you can download the app to your smartphone and start earning money with this one. The app name is actually Currentus. The website name is Currentus, and the logo should look like this. To find the Current app, go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for it. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.